Ah, wow.
What do you think this is?
It is for cleaning for dishwasher for cup.
You're right. You're right. Such a smarty.
Yeah, let's open. Hi guys, I'm Kian. Today we're gonna open my new box.
So what is this?
It's for cleaning for cup for dishwasher for cleaning.
Yeah, it's a wash-up kitchen sink.
Yes.
Do you like playing with water?
Yes.
Okay.
Let's open.
Let's open.
Yeah.
Dun, dun, dun. Yeah. This is the rack.
This is rack. We have a hole here.
Hickory dickory dock, the mouse ran up the clock.
You have to put some batteries here and
Yes.
then just fix them like this.
And why? What's not working?
Okay, now as the faucet is fixed,
Yeah.
we'll now put in some water, okay?
Yeah,
You can
here.
open this and add it, but there is a hole, so I'm just going to add it directly.
Yeah. Let's go on water.
See. On it and see. See? See? You have water flowing from the tap. Awesome. Okay, now you have to wash these. You have to wash these here. Okay. No, not the brush. Honey. You have to wash all these here, and this is your drying rack. Okay. You have to use the detergent, the liquid detergent, and then place it here. No, the detergent. Okay. Okay, now you have to wash and put it in the rack. For plates, you have a rack, okay? Here. Use the brush. On the plate, honey. And clean it. And then put the water. And then put it here. Awesome. Good job. There. Okay.
Let's get another one.
Yeah. Very nice. Ah, now you have a sink of your own.
Yeah.
Yeah.
How does water comes?
Right.
Like a tea.
This faucet is good, huh?
Like a brush.
Yeah. Now you can have your tea in your teacup. No problem. Put it here.
This is so exciting.
The colors of this set are quite vibrant, and I think it's going to be enjoyed by both boys and girls. The best part of it is that it pumps out real water and it recycles the same water, so there is no more water wastage. The size is pretty compact. The quality is great. It's quite durable. I think it's perfect in size and overall a great product. Children learn from day-to-day activities. They watch you, they imitate you, and they want to do the same thing. So I think this is a great set because this can inculcate good habits in them. They know they have to wash their own utensils and keep. I think this keeps them busy, and they are playing with actual real water. And this is not messy at all because the water is getting accumulated down here in our tub, and it doesn't come out. So I think it's good, and I think he can play for an hour at a stretch. So yeah, this is a fun set, and I think Kian liked it too. Kian, did you like it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so he liked it too. So I think this is a good buy. Thanks.
I am Sonic. I'm gonna do like a card. Yeah.
Awesome. You did it all, huh?
I'm gonna put this.
Okay.
This for you, okay?
Okay. Do you want to serve a tea to your audience?
Yes. I'm gonna put the tea.
Okay.
Don't make noise, okay?
Okay.
TV phone.
Okay, sure.
And one.
Give. Okay, serve a cup of tea. to your audience?
Yes, I am going to ask the teacher.
But that's it. Only 1 cup. 1 cup.
No, it's for you. You want to go?
Okay, for me also?
Yes.
How sweet of you. Thank you.
Excellent.
Hmm.
I'm going to put over here for you.
Okay.
Yes. And put it here.
Okay, now serve 1 tea. Yeah. Awesome. You guys can enjoy.
Yeah.
Okay, honey, say bye. Bye to everyone. Say thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Bye.
Bye.